Hello, everyone, and a very good evening to all of you. We at Ascendance Academy are organizing a 15 days crash course, especially for UGC, NET, SET, and JRF aspirants. This is with respect to paper 1, which is applicable for all the subject codes. And you can invest just 30 hours in order to master these 3 units. The 3 units that you can master are mathematical reasoning and aptitude, logical reasoning, and data interpretation, which is your unit 5, unit 6, and unit 7. I, Professor Fatima Vapiwala, who has completed my MCOM, qualified UGC NET JRF in the subject of commerce, and Maharashtra SET in the subject of management, will be taking up these sessions. The dates for these sessions is from 16th of July to 5th of August. The timings would be 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. The sessions would be conducted from Monday to Friday. Saturdays would be a test day, and on Sundays, we would be giving you a holiday. These sessions would be conducted via Zoom. The main key highlights of this crash course are, firstly, there will be a lot of emphasis on learning by solving. So unlike other crash courses where simply the question is given to you and the solution is given to you, there will be more emphasis on trying to make you do the solving part. Secondly, there will be emphasis on application of simple mathematical tips and tricks. So every day I will be sharing a few simple mathematical tips and tricks which you can apply, and especially for solving your unit 5, 6, and 7. You will definitely see a vast improvement in your computation skills as you are not allowed to use calculator in your exam. There will be an enhancement in the ability to crack complex questions effectively. So even though complex questions may be asked in the exam, but you will see that your ability to tackle these questions has improved considerably. You will be able to develop enough reasoning skills to draw logical conclusions based on what we do in this crash course. You will have mastery over data interpretation. As we all know, there is compulsorily one question in data interpretation, which is of 10 marks. So you will be able to master that question, which is of 10 marks. We will be giving you a unit-wise test and one full-length mock test. So there will be one test for mathematical reasoning, one test for logical reasoning, one test for data interpretation, and one full-length mock test. The course fees is merely 1,000 rupees, which is a minimal amount if you want to master all of these 3 units. It's a 15 days crash course. And these are the payment details, which you can also find in our brochure. This is the schedule of the crash course. We would be covering these topics. So on the first day, I would be covering number and letter series, numerical, alphabetical, and mixed coding in detail. On the second day, I would be covering direction, sense, and blood relation related questions. On the third day, arithmetic, mean, and profit and loss related questions. Sundays would be a holiday. On the next day, I would be taking up time, speed, and distance, simple and compound interest related questions. Then after that, calendar related, seating arrangement, ratio and proportion. So that is how we would conclude mathematical reasoning. Then we would move on to logical reasoning, in which we would cover square of opposition, syllogisms, moods and figures. Okay, on Saturday, since it would be a test day, you would have mathematical reasoning test. Sunday would again be a holiday. Then you would have, in logical reasoning, we would continue with Indian logic pramanas and fallacies and its types. After that, we would begin with data interpretation, solving different types of questions of data interpretation. On Saturday, we would have a test on logical reasoning. Sunday again would be a holiday. Then on 3rd and 4th of August, we would solve some previous year's problems from all the 3 units. And on 4th of August, you would also have a test on data interpretation. On 5th of August, you would be having a complete mock test of these 3 units. So this is the brochure, which is also available, and we can send it to you. For any kind of queries, you can contact Geeta ma'am. Any queries relating to brochure, registration, payment, and the registration link is also available, so that can be sent to you as well. For more details, you could also visit Ascendance Academy. So we'll just go to that website. And you could check out the Ascendance Academy website as well. Apart from that, you could also check out Ascendance Academy on YouTube. We have a few books. Okay. So thank you, everyone. If you wish to enroll in our crash course, you can contact us. And I suppose the brochure details have been sent to you on your group. And I'll be looking forward to seeing all of you at the session. Thank you, everyone. Geeta ma'am?